Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the phone, enable Wi-Fi and connect power so the process won't stop. Next, decide cloud versus SD card and confirm available space. This matters because backups fail when storage is full. Open the Gallery or Files app, long press a photo or video to select, then use Select All or Pick Folders. Once done, tap the Share or Backup icon to send items to your chosen target. That begins the actual transfer. You now configure the destination and start the upload. Sign into Vivo Cloud or Google Photos and grant permission to access media. This is required so the app can read files. Choose Upload Quality. Original preserves full resolution, high quality saves space. Start the sync and watch the transfer list. Make sure background upload is enabled so the process continues if you leave the app. If many gigabytes exist, schedule or leave it overnight on Wi-Fi. You finish by verifying the backup. Open the cloud or SD folder, check counts and timestamps to ensure everything copied. If some items failed, retry those specific files and clear the app cache. Make sure permission and storage settings remain correct. If transfers stall, toggle Wi-Fi or reboot the phone, then resume. Finally, keep a secondary copy on an SD card or external drive for redundancy. That way, you avoid single-point failure and protect irreplaceable photos and videos.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.